Adra Ramesh, coming from PK High School, Manjapura, Palakkad, Kerala State. And my topic of the project is Use and Conservation of Energy in Kannamara Panchayat, a comprehensive study. As you all people know that the last year, that is 2012 year, is celebrated as International Energy Conservation Year. So we just thought of studying about the use and conservation of energy in our panchayat, that is Kannamara Panchayat. A project-related competition was held in the school in connection with observation of 2012 as an International Energy Conservation Year. Then after that we could understand that our energy use in our panchayat was very rampant, and then we tried to study about the energy use patterns in our panchayat limits. For this, 200 households in our panchayat were selected, and a survey containing 40 questionnaire, observation, experimentation, interview, etc. were the methods of study. Through this survey, the usage of electricity, LPG, diurnal temperature, measure of insulation received were understood by conducting appropriate temperature. The measure of carbon footprint, that is how many amount of carbon dioxide is coming out from each year from each person, is known as a carbon dioxide. Measure of carbon dioxide spawned by burning fuels, that is various fuels are LPG, firewood, kerosene and petrol, is just increasing rapidly in our country, and the total of 4,257 metric tons of carbon dioxide is coming out from our panchayat by the burning of various fuels. That is in our panchayat 4,257 metric tons of carbon dioxide is being coming out by burning fuels like LPG, firewood, kerosene and petrol. Then due to this waning of vegetative cover, the carbon dioxide has gone up by 20%, and the carbon dioxide spices more acutely in urban areas than in rural areas. The change in atmospheric gas composition and the less rainfall rate are the direct result of this increasing carbon dioxide. The escalation energy use is immense measure the consequence of this radical change in lifestyle. Expansion of the price of excessive price of LPG and shortage of power supply and accumulated of untreatment and environmental pollution are various problems that people are facing today. As solution, setting up of biogas plants is very good, and our place receives solar heat about 5.12 ton raised to 21 joule a day. So setting up solar plants and various solar models is very suggestible in our area, and adopting scientific methods in usage of electricity and LPG and massive afforestation is the main problem. So we have to plant trees, and switching to use of energy efficient ovens are the solutions to these problems. As follow-up activities, we conducted so many rallies, the notice distribution was conducted, we took the oath, and several other types of speeches, seminars, then so many other follow-up activities were also conducted. For this project and for the overall energy management procedures in our school, we got first prize from Energy Management Center, and this is a certificate. We got first prize for this energy usage and energy conservation project, and we got this prize from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which was conducted at Ernakulam. So overall this is all.